Trinity Theological College, Trinity Theological College, and we are student of this college. So, are you proud of it?
Yes, I'm very proud.
Of course. Let's do this. All right.
Let's go.
Peace out, man. So this is Mr. Kishore, and look at the Ashoka trees. They have planted so well. It is giving shade, and the beauty is also, it's good.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and I hope you are everyone doing good. Now we are going to explore Thaiko area. This is my friend Prachiri. Please keep watching our video. Now we are going Tinale. Now we are going to have something. After having something, we are going to explore something. Please keep watching our video. There will be, I heard, one big church construction going on. We are going to show the church how big. Today I am going to see the first.
Hello, sorry, evening, good evening everyone. My name, myself, Cherry Tale and Mr. Kishore. Anyways, we are having fried rice chicken, so yeah, dog with lassi, So that's it.
Yeah, thank you so much, Eric, for this fried rice and this nasi for your plate. Today's our last course of this. That's why.
Before exam.
Yeah, before exam this semester. Academic. I thought I went to our, but just nearby our hostel. Just only near, Kinari. Just before exam, we have to
Enjoy.
refresh
our mind.
Just if we go market, we have to spend money. That's why you don't want to spend money also. Spend exam also. Yes, just by nearby our college. Just we can buy food, enjoying, and just and we go back again for buy food, enjoy that.
Now we are having fried rice.
Today we are very hot.
Yeah.
No sunny, but
It's Dimapur now, what to do? Dimapur is, the humidity is high. What about in Tripura? How's the weather?
but today just before I talked with my cousin sister, she told me it's raining.
Raining in
Yeah.
Tripura?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was very hot, but now it's raining little, not much.
Before I was calling in your phone, that there was flood in Tripura, right?
Yes.
So how is the situation now?
I didn't see long time the news. I think there's no idea.
So before the
My area though somehow could find other not part of our place. I don't know because I didn't get information. Only I get information on local place. That's why others though I'm not sure.
so sad to hear the news now. Because many houses were flooded by water.
Yeah.
So pray for it,
Yeah. Even who does stay in the plain area, water but who does stay hilly, landslide now.
Yeah, like our brother Kishore has said, even if we stay in plain area, sometimes there will be flood, right?
Yeah.
Or sometimes whenever you stay in hilly areas, suppose there was a landslide in Kohima and Dimapur Road, right? So the world is not a safe place, right? We have to be very careful. We have to pray to God,
Yeah.
and then we have to do as much as we can to help the people around us, the affected families.
As a human being, we cannot stop the nature, we cannot stop whatever. Just created by God, but we cannot stop. That's why we have to seek God's guidance, protection. Always.
Very true.
Yeah.
So we talk about ecology, eco-justice and eco-spirituality in our eco-justice subject by Sir Bukata. Right? How to improve our environment, because there's so many deforestation and they are like people because of greed and power and control and dominance. We are destroying the environment, so we have to really take care of our environment because, like I said, from the grassroots level, we are having a bad weather. Many of us are bearing the heat, cannot even study if there is no fan. So in the same manner, we have to be eco-stewardship should be in us. Just as much as we play games, we have to think for teammates for it. Na? It's too many, cannot finish, I think.
Si mine also too.
I like this juice. That's it. I think I'll have one more later.
No, I like this. Ambulance, na?
This is lassi, and you're getting the marble, alright? Even in Kohima also you'll get. But probably not in places like villages, How's the progress?
Yeah, it's too tasty. I like this.
I'm glad that you like. Hindi ko pwede ito. Hanglan.
Yeah.
Demonstrate. So on today, 3rd October, we'll be having our first first semester exam. Currently in BD3, so we are doing a BD, Bachelor of Divinity in Trinity Theological College, Kaito Dimabo. So pray for us.
Yeah.
So that we will have good health and that will protect our life, our family, our friends, so that we can give our best in our exam and pass. Right?
Right after exam, even we had ministry also. Intensive ministry.
Ministry again.
Yeah.
We have practical ministry again in the northern Sama. Is it in Assam?
Nearby Assam.
Nearby Assam. And one group is going to Mokokchung.
Our group is 4 members.
4 members.
Yeah.
Who's the leader?
Brother Ibu, eh?
Multi-talented guy.
Yeah.
He can play sports, all kinds of sports, badminton, football, basketball, volleyball. What? No, right?
Yeah, he is spiritually also very strong prayer, na? Strong. I like him. I'm very lucky. Part of group team, na? It's a team.
So in our team we have our leader is Mr. Nokmao Konyak, the youngest evangelist in Nagan. If I'm not wrong, that's what I've heard. So he'll be leading us, he has experiences and to guide us. So like I said, I'm also blessed to have him.
Yeah.
Let's give our best. As much as we want to minister to the people, we also want to learn from them, right?
Yeah. That's true. If we go there, na, we will be language barrier. I think our son will be talented.
Yeah.
Language barrier. I can speak Hindi. I can understand Hindi, but they don't understand Hindi. I heard Nagamis also, maybe some people they didn't understand, they cannot speak also. Nagamis also somehow I can speak, not fluent also. Some broken also, somehow I can communicate with people. But if they don't understand, I cannot do nothing. English also, I think they don't understand.
This will be my first practical ministry in my life. So I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
Yeah, same. Again also, first time.
Actually, our alumni who have gone for intensive practical ministry, actually they were given chance to go outside of Nagaland. Some of them went to Darjeeling, Nepal, Bhutan, Sikkim, and West Bengal, elsewhere in parts of India and neighboring villages.
Even last year, na, they went to Tripura.
Even they went to Tripura as
The
well.
first time. In the same ministry.
His state.
Yeah.
No more, I want to drink, but Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Now he's the man.
Wow. A lot of hot.
Anyways, thank you for the views. So we will end from here, and I hope that you all take good care of yourself and have a blessed time. Alright?
Today, Sunday School building, Thaiku Village Baptist Church, Dimapur, Nagaland.
Now we are going church construction. Where is the church construction? How big? Now you are keep watching our video. I'm going to explore. I'm going to show. And there is one church Thaiku area. I think this is the Thaiku Baptist Church Dimapur Thaiku area. And another one new building construction going on. We are going to show now. You keep watching our video. We are going to explore this. So this is the church. We are finally reached there, and you keep watching our video. I'm going to explore. I'm going to show how was is. See, look at the pool, too big. This is too big. This is my first time. Wow. This is Thaiku area, Dimapur, Nagaland. Nearby our college. Our college is Trinity Theology College. It's also Thaiku area.
Oh,
Welcome back. This is Thaiku Church. Still ongoing. And it's scary also at the same time.
it's too big now. Very, very big. First time. Ayah.
Where did you keep our...
I think they are. Oh. They are now. Oh. Let's go. We have practice.
Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. And you also, if you free, sometime you also visit and watch that this place is very nice, very wonderful, very beautiful place. And thank you so much. If you like my video, or my channel is new, if you like the video, please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. May God bless you all.